Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix a pixel on TikTok Shopify. So, if your TikTok pixel isn't tracking properly on Shopify, you are in the right place. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix common TikTok pixel issues, whether it's not firing, not tracking conversions, or giving incorrect data. So, first, let's confirm your TikTok pixel is currently installed. Go to Shopify admin, navigate to your online store, and navigate to preferences. Now, scroll down to TikTok pixel under the TikTok sales channel. So you'll have to just scroll down and under sales channel, you will see TikTok pixel. If you don't see pixel, you need to add one. If pixel is missing, follow step 2 to reinstall it. So step 2 is going to TikTok Business Manager Assets. So we'll go to the search bar in a new tab and type in TikTok Business Manager. Hit enter. Now we'll navigate to TikTok Business Center. Here, you'll have to navigate to Events Manager, then click Create Pixel. Choose TikTok Pixel and then select Connect a Partner Platform under that and choose Shopify. Now copy the pixel ID and paste it into Shopify's Preferences section, that is here. Now click Save and make sure the pixel is active. Now your pixel should be installed correctly. Let's check if it's tracking properly. Now, your pixel should be installed correctly. So if your TikTok pixel isn't firing properly, you can manually insert the pixel code into your Shopify theme. Navigate to Shopify admin, navigate to online store, navigate to themes, then click three-dotted icon here, click edit code. Now, open the theme.liquid file. So go to the search bar, type in theme.liquid, hit enter, choose theme.liquid and find the head tag and paste your TikTok pixel script before it. So the script that I'm talking about will be added in the description of this video. Make sure you add it and replace your pixel ID here with your actual TikTok pixel ID. Click save and then reload your site. And that's it. Now your TikTok pixel should be tracking perfectly on Shopify. If this helped, hit the like and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials. See you in the next one.